कळंगूट मारबडे प्रकरणातल्या चारय दुबावितांक 12 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन 6 दिसांची पुलीस बंदखणीची ख्यास्त सुनयली। घटणुके फाटलें नेमके कारण कळपाक शकलें ना। पुलिसां कडल्यान तपासणी चालू आसा।
खासगी सुरक्षा रक्षक म्हूण काम करपी 30 वर्सांचे स्वप्नील रेडकराचेर टार्झन पार्सेकार, सूर्या कांबळी, इम्रान बेपारी आनी सूरज शेटये ह्या हिस्ट्री शिटरांनी जीव घेवन हल्लो केल्लो। कोंगूट पुलिसांनी टार्झना सयत चारय दुबावितांक अटक केल्या।
Last night, one incident had come to the notice of Kalangut police that there were some criminal elements who had come to Kalangut Tito, and there was some disturbance going on. Kalangut police station immediately responded to that disturbance, and on the spot, the staff of Kalangut police station, led by PI Rapos, they apprehended one criminal by the name of Tarzan Parsekar, who is from Nagwa. Later on, it was learned that there were 3 other criminals who had come here for creating this disturbance. Immediately, a team under PI Rapos was dispatched to Perdem police station area, where it was found that their location could be. In late night operation, the staff apprehended all 3 criminal persons who were involved and wanted in that case. An FIR is registered under 326 IPC and also under Arms Act. Further investigation and recovery of weapons is ongoing, and we will take strict action. There is zero tolerance to these kind of criminal elements who are disturbing peace. It is understood that they have other cases also, and we will take strict legal action against all of them. It is not correct to call it gang war. These are criminal elements who had come here and got into some sort of a fight, and we are investigating very objectively. It is too early to say about deeper investigation. Only deeper investigation will reveal other aspects, but it is not gang war. He is currently out on bail and he is involved in some heinous offences. He is a repeat offender. There are strict provisions in law for dealing with repeat offenders. It would not be right for me to disclose what we are going to do, but we have made up our minds. We have consulted PP and the PI, and we are going to take action so that such things are not tolerated ever again.
गोवा 365 खातीर समीप नार्वेकर।